Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Peppa Pig Canal boat. Today, Peppa and George are visiting the dog family to celebrate Captain Dog's birthday. His cake has a sailing boat decoration on it. Open your present, says Mommy Dog. It's a boat trip, says Captain Dog. That's just what I wanted. Ooh. Captain Dog puts on his captain's hat and they dream about their trip. You can go anywhere you want with a sailing boat, says Captain Dog. He imagines sailing to a beautiful tropical island. Oh, yes. Let's go. Then Captain Dog imagines spotting a big blue whale from a sailing boat. He can't wait for the adventure to begin. Mommy Dog drives everyone to the canal. Where's the sailing boat? Asks Captain Dog. No sailing boat today, dear, says Mommy Dog. We're going on a canal boat. Captain Dog is confused. It is a boat, says Danny Dog. All aboard, cries Captain Dog. He tries to raise the sail, but he can't see it anywhere. Canal boats do not have sails. Chug, chug. Just push the boat to make it start, says Mommy Dog. Oh, I see. Off we go, says Captain Dog. Captain Dog decides to go faster. You should slow down, says Mommy Dog. They are getting close to a mountain. Look out, shouts Peppa. We're going to crash. No, we're going into the tunnel, says Mommy Dog calmly. It is exciting inside the tunnel. It's all gone dark, gasps Danny. And our voices sound funny, says Peppa. This canal boat is fun after all, says Captain Dog. Soon they approach a second mountain. There must be another tunnel, says Captain Dog. Actually, we're going over it this time, says Mommy Dog. We call this a lock. Carefully, Captain Dog stops the boat. Watch. I'll show you, says Mommy Dog. She opens up the gate to the lock and Captain Dog drives the boat in. Then Mommy Dog closes the lock gate and lets the water pour in, slowly from the other side. We're going up, gasps Peppa. The boat is lifted up as the lock fills with water. Wow! Mommy Dog opens the gate and Captain Dog drives the boat out of the lock. We're in the sky, shouts Peppa. We're sailing over a bridge, says Danny. I'll sail through mountain and across the sky, says Captain Dog. This is my best birthday ever. That was so much fun. The end. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time. Go ahead and check out the Peppa Pig playlist.